I'm pretty sure y'all can guess what this is. I'm gonna make a full video unboxing this. I gotta wait till it's not raining. It's raining outside right now and it's wet, so this gonna have to wait probably about a week, you feel me, let the ground dry up, because I don't have enough room to be able to do it in here. So I'm gonna have to do it once like I said, the ground dries up or something. But here go the packages here. This one, I think it's this one. This one goes with that. I think that one, or it might be this box, one of these two, but I think it's this one. Nope, it is this one. This one goes with this, and these other three go with this car, and then that one on the ground there goes with this car as well. But we're gonna unbox that one in a separate video next. It's not used, did not come off nobody's car. Somebody was selling them, so went ahead and caught me one of them. I think this was like $25, and the door striker was like, I think like 20. Now let's move on to here. So like I said, don't think this part is really gonna fit on here, it's gonna work, but when I ordered it, it did say it was for a Monte Carlo, and y'all know I plan on getting me a Monte Carlo once I'm finished building this one and my box Chevy. So once I'm done with both of these, or once I'm close to the end with this one, then I'm gonna try to find me a Monte Carlo. And if I can't put this on here, then I'll just save it for the Monte Carlo, you know what I'm saying? This will be one of the first parts we install. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Finally got my new tripod in the mail for my little handheld tripod. Finally got that, you know what I'm saying, ordered this off Amazon. And this video, y'all see the title, we finna go ahead and do some more unboxing. I got more packages for this car. I gotta order a few more things, you feel me, that I told y'all I'm trying to, ooh, ho, be quiet, Siri. Like I said, I told y'all before, I'm trying to stack up on parts for the box Chevy, but I'm also getting parts still for this car because I have this car now. I want to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, keep installing stuff that I can. So got a few packages up there. I think out of all four of them packages, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, yeah, 4, I can only install maybe like 2 of them right now, you know what I'm saying. Yep, actually all 4 of them packages are not for this car. Only 3 of them is. One of them is for the box Chevy. I got another part for this car that's on the ground, but I'm not going to unbox it to the next video. And then another part for the box Chevy just came in, which I put inside the charger. I'm going to unbox that as well. And if y'all look here, y'all might take a guess or a little gander what y'all think that is, you know what I'm saying. That was pretty expensive. I spent a pretty penny on that part that's up on that roof. So yeah, I gotta find a way or find somewhere to put it because I don't want to leave it here, you know what I'm saying. I gotta find somewhere I can put that big old box. Like I said, y'all probably guess what it is. We're gonna unbox it. I've already looked at it and it's kind of damaged, so I would message the seller or the company and see what we can do, you feel me, if they can ship me out another one and I'll give this one back when the shipper bring the other one, or what can happen, you feel what I'm saying. But yeah, if they not gonna return it or nothing, then I'm gonna have to try to get that fixed, you know. So yeah, like I said, y'all probably can guess what it is, but this video we finna unbox the stuff, a few of the parts for this car. Next video we're gonna unbox a few more, and then we're gonna install stuff after that, and then I'm gonna unbox the stuff I got for the box Chevy. And then I need to make a video on this piece, which I'm probably gonna wait till tomorrow to actually record that video because it's raining right now, but it feels so good outside. It's like almost 70 degrees, but it's supposed to drop back down to 40 tomorrow. So yeah, man, I'm trying to record a lot, and it's already really late in the day. It's like 3 o'clock. It's already really late in the day, so I'm trying to record as much as I can for now. But I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Make sure y'all like the video for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Share the channel and the videos on all social media platforms all across. Try to help me out, you know what I'm saying. And comment down below, you feel me, let me know what y'all think about some of these parts. One of these parts that I got for this car, I don't think it's gonna fit or it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try and see what I can make do, you feel what I'm saying. But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will catch y'all once I get outside the car and we're gonna unbox this stuff, so stay tuned. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoy. All right, y'all, so like I said, I got, well, one of these parts not for this car, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it anyway. So I'm pretty sure y'all can guess what this is. I'm gonna make a full video unboxing this. I gotta wait till it's not raining. It's raining outside right now and it's wet, so this gonna have to wait probably about a week, you feel me, let the ground dry up, because I don't have enough room to be able to do it in here. So I'm gonna have to do it once like I said, the ground dries up or something. But here go the packages here. This one, I think it's this one. This one goes with that. I think that, or it might be this box. One of these two, but I think it's this one. Nope, it's this one. This one goes with this. And these other three go with this car, and then that one on the ground there goes with this car as well, but we're gonna unbox that one in a separate video next. But yeah, this, we're gonna start off here. Told y'all I was getting new door strikers. Went ahead and got me a little double pack of brand new door strikers, as y'all can see. All right, my bad about this, but like I was saying, got brand new door strikers. So I don't know if I'm gonna install these today. I'm probably gonna come back out here tomorrow and install these, but I do plan on getting these wipers on today, so I'm finna show y'all that. But yeah, y'all knew, I already told y'all I technically really didn't need brand new door strikers, but just went ahead and got them, you know what I'm saying? I think these were like $20. I got these off eBay. Amazon sell them, eBay sell them. You can get door strikers from pretty much any site, you feel me? Just search them up. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead. You see how I ain't even tightened these all the way down, but look at that. It's pretty bad behind these door strikers. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just replace the door strikers. Like I said, I don't really have to. I'm gonna just do it anyway. Can't even get it back on now. Try and tighten this back up. There we go. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna replace the door strikers. Gonna go ahead and get that done. Like I said, most likely tomorrow, because I gotta make sure I tighten them down. But yeah, that's what that box is, the door strikers. So if we move on to this box, I'm not gonna tell y'all where it go for. I'm pretty sure y'all be able to guess it though once I get it all out. Once I open this and y'all see what this is, y'all will probably be able to guess what it go to. And like I told y'all, it go to this part, and if y'all know what this part is, and y'all know what this go to. But yeah, I went ahead and just got a brand new one. So the only thing we're gonna be, well, like I said, I'm gonna talk to y'all about this stuff when I unbox this. So when I unbox this, I'm gonna show y'all this, that we're gonna go ahead and put this on and have it done. But yeah, this is brand new, not used or nothing like that. Went ahead and bought this brand new. There's a person on eBay that was selling these brand new GM springs. So like I said, got it brand new spring. It's not used, did not come off nobody's car. Somebody was selling them, so went ahead and caught me one of them. I think this was like $25, and the door striker was like, I think like 20. Now let's move on to here. So like I said, don't think this part is really gonna fit on here, it's gonna work. But when I ordered it, it did say it was for a Monte Carlo. And y'all know I plan on getting me a Monte Carlo once I'm finished building this one and my box Chevy. So once I'm done with both of these, or once I'm close to the end with this one, then I'm gonna try to find me a Monte Carlo. And if I can't put this on here, then I'll just save it for the Monte Carlo. You know what I'm saying? This will be one of the first parts we install. But yeah, went ahead, got a little overflow reservoir. But look at these welds. These welds look so beautiful, bro. I need to learn how to weld, bro. But yeah, brand new reservoir, custom made. Like I said, I don't think it goes to my car. I don't think it'll fit my cut dog. But yeah, found a little block off there. So, and then the little hose port there. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna work with mine. Maybe if this piece was over to this edge, then maybe it will work. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna work with my car. And like I said, if it don't, then I end up just saving it for whenever I get the Monte Carlo. But yeah, brand new little reservoir. Looks fire, bro. Looks really dope. So I'm gonna try to see if I can finagle it onto the car. But look at these welds. This looks really good, man. But like I said, I'm gonna try to see if I can finagle it onto the car, try to force it on. But if I can't really get it on there, you feel me, without being too forceful, then I just save it, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe I just sell it or something, you know what I'm saying? I'll figure out something to do with it. I don't mind holding on to this piece. This is something I've been wanting for a while. And like I said, if it don't work out, then it don't work out. If it do work out, then huge dub in the books. You feel what I'm saying? And like I said, we're gonna try and see what I can get with this. We'll try and see what I can do. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. So, like I said, we will see. We will see. Put it back in the box. That's box number 3, and then the last package that we're gonna unbox today is gonna be my brand new blades. So y'all know we literally just replaced. Well, I ain't gonna say just replaced because it's been a little while. But as soon as I got this car back from the welding getting done, I put on new wiper arms. Here go the new blades. So now all I gotta do is literally just push them in and then it's done. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be one of the quickest videos. Don't need no tools to put this on. But yeah, I went ahead and got these brand new off eBay. It was like $20 for the pair. You feel what I'm saying? I could have went to AutoZone and got some, but I needed my order when I was ordering this stuff. I needed my order at like a certain price, and I was like, you know what? I need wipers. Let me just go ahead and get some blades. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and get some wiper blades. And that's what I did. Like I said, got 2 of them. Y'all know. Save that package for the next video. We went ahead and replaced the wiper arm. So like all I gotta do is literally just snap in the blades there on both sides. So yeah, that's the plan, man. We're gonna do that. Might be the next video I do. Go ahead and throwing on some brand new wiper blades on the cut dog. And y'all know my wipers are functional. Well, actually, yeah, the motor it's a little slow, so I'm gonna end up upgrading the motor as well, getting me a brand new motor. And I seen this person making wiper motor covers, or was it brake reservoir covers? One of them. But yeah, we're finna get one of them custom made as well. It's gonna have the Oldsmobile logo on it, the jet. But yeah, that's everything I done got, man. Like I said, door strikers. The little spring, which y'all probably already know what it's for if y'all know what this package is. We're gonna unbox this, like I said, once it dries up outside, and I can actually pour this all the way out of the box. So stay tuned for that. That overflow reservoir for the coolant, like I said, I don't know if it's gonna fit my car, but I'm gonna try and see what I can get doing with that. And then brand new wiper blades, brand spanking new. So like I said, I'm probably gonna go ahead and install these in the next video. Then we're gonna unbox the other package after that, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I just got in the mail for the box Chevy. And then I gotta order some more stuff. And this was one of the most expensive parts I needed for the box Chevy, and I finally got it. Literally took like 2 days. I ordered it at night, and then the whole next day it was in shipping. And then the following day it came in. So really just 1.5 days. Yeah, this big old package came very quickly, But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna unbox and show y'all what's wrong with it and everything, and then move on from there. But yeah, that's everything. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions. Let me know what y'all think about everything, and stay tuned. We're gonna throw these on in the next video. Video after that, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the other part I got for this car. Video after that, we're gonna unbox the stuff I just got for the box Chevy, which is just one more package besides this big one. Gonna unbox that, and then I might try to go ahead and see if I can get that in this car. If not, then like I said, won't worry about it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can get that in here. So let me go ahead, put up what I need to put up, and I will catch y'all for the outro. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoy. I know it ain't really nothing too crazy that I done got, but yeah, besides that big old box up there, I know y'all probably waiting on that. I know, I'm sorry, I keep pushing it off. I know y'all want to hear the music play in this car. Yeah, I really just don't feel like hooking up the battery, bro, because I know once I hook it up, I'm gonna have to start the car so the battery can charge back up a little bit with the alternator. But yeah, like I said, I really don't feel like doing it right now. That's the only reason. But y'all stay tuned. I figured out a little design I can do with making my little EQ holder for the center console. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be trying to make that here soon. You feel me? At least a template anyways. Try to make the template here soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? And I gotta figure out what material I could use to wrap it. I'm probably gonna have to just wrap it in black and leave it in black, you know what I'm saying? Because I can't find no blue material to wrap it, which you feel me? I think the black is, I don't know, it might be a little too much, but like I said, I'm gonna have to try and figure something out. I might have to just go ahead and wrap it in black, you feel me, and do it like it. I got plenty of black material, so that's one thing I'm not worried about, is the black material, having the material, because I got plenty of it. It's just I didn't want it to be too much of an offset, you feel me, from black to blue. Like I said, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get everything situated. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave y'all opinions on the stuff I got. The new door strikers, like I said, I'm gonna be throwing them. I could throw them on literally right now, but I just don't feel like going on that side and making room on that side to put them on. Just don't feel like doing it right now. I'll do it tomorrow when it's, hopefully the sun's out tomorrow. And then the new spring, which y'all should know already what it's for, and then which means y'all should know what that big old box is. And then the coolant reservoir, like I said, I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna fit. Worst comes to worst, you know what I'm saying? Worst scenario, I just order a brand new OEM one. I think they're like $40 or $50. Just order me an OEM one and put it in there instead of trying to dress up the engine bay a lot. You feel me? I just order a new OEM one because the one I got in there now, it's cracked. You feel what I'm saying? So, like I said, worst scenario, I just order a new OEM one and do it like that, and then just save that one for whenever I do get the Monte Carlo that I'm trying to get. And then what else did I show y'all? The wiper blades. Then that's it. You feel what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Like I said, next video we're gonna go ahead and install the wiper blades. It's gonna be a really quick video, but yeah, that's just what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and install them in the next video, so that'll be something out of the way. Y'all know I've been putting that off for a little minute. I've been had them wiper arms installed for a while, so I've been should have had wiper blades. I don't know, I just been buying other stuff, you feel me? I ain't really been too worried about getting wiper blades, to be honest with y'all. So yeah, it is what it is. But like I said, I got them now, so we finna go ahead and install them. It ain't like I've been driving this car anyways. This car's been sitting strictly because when I drive it, it shakes too bad. So I just haven't been able to drive this car, which I really hate. And then the weather is just not warm enough for me to be outside working on the car, try to get that stuff fixed and installed. It's like I said, just not the time right now. And then Box Chevy's still gone. When they come back, y'all know I told you I'm trying to go full force with that car so I can have that car ready by 26 and I can drive it to my graduation. So yeah, that's pretty much the rundown of everything. And like I said, I still got to order more parts. I'm finna get a whole bunch of more stuff. I told you I've been spending way too much money, but that's gonna be all worth it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna all be worth it in the end when I'm fully done with both of the cars. So hope y'all enjoyed, man. Make sure y'all like the video for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on where y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Post the channel and the videos on all social media platforms across if y'all can. And other than that, man, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.